From the very first moment na nakita ko ang picture mo sa Twitter, I knew my life would never be the same. Nox, love at first sight. From the very first meet, I knew it. From the very first chat, I knew it. From the very first hug and kiss, alam ko na, ikaw na yun. And it turned out to be true.
When I'm down and out and feel like there is nothing left for me, you save me.
The love of my life, Erica. I feel overwhelmingly lucky and proud to be standing beside you today. Thank you for accepting me for all that I am. Thank you for always supporting me and loving me unconditionally. I know I haven't always made that easy.
You save me. Ooh, I'd be nothing without you.
Naalala mo pa ba nung college tayo? Bilang mag-girlfriend at boyfriend pa lang tayo. Umuulan man, bumabagyo man. Kahit pa bumaha sa harap ng Fatima. Pupuntahan ka, masundo ka lang. Maabot or mai-provide ko lang sa iyo ang cravings mo. Tulungan ka sa homeworks mo. Tulungan ka kahit sa lesson plan mo, pati sa thesis mo. What more ngayon, naganap na tayo magkasama.
Kahit pa na alam kong kailangan mo rin ng saving, minsan. Pero Erica will come first to you. Thank you for choosing me. For the last 6 years, you have fought your position in my life. And there are times when I would see you get tired, but there was never a time na nag-give up ka sa atin. Palagi mong sinasabi sa akin, pagod lang ako pero walang mangyayari na hiwalayan kasi mahal na mahal kita. Salamat sa mga salamat sa mga salitang ito. And the moment that you wander far from, I promise to be your anchor in times of uncertainty, your shelter in the midst of life's storms, and your constant source of love and comfort. I choose you in 100 lifetimes, in 100 worlds, in any version of reality. I'd find you and I will forever choose you.
Your love, how deep is your love? I really mean to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be.
Ako ay nangangako, aalagaan ka at ang ating magiging pamilya. Hindi kayo papabayaan. Ano man ang unos ang harapin, ano man ang hirap na sapitin. I promise that as we venture through the rest of our lives together, I will always be by your side, loving you, pushing you, and celebrating with you every little things. I will always put you first and give you my absolute best for the rest.
Your love, how deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down.
Salamat sa pagtupad ng simpleng pangarap natin noong tayo ay kolehiyo pa, na tayo ay nangangarap na may ikasal. Salamat sa pagtupad ng mga simpleng pangarap natin noon, Tard. Simula ngayon, sa araw na ito ay pinangangako ko sa iyo na ikaw ay aking aalagaan pa, mas mamahalin at mas iintindihin. Mahal na mahal kita, Kenneth, hanggang dulo, habang buhay. I love you so much, Tard.
Your love, how deep is your love? I really need to learn.
Ngayon, Kenneth, you may now kiss your bride.
Breaking us down when they all should let us be.